In this video, we will be looking at question number 6 from the 4.4 homework. We're looking to solve 2 times 1.19 to the x power equals 4 times 1.09 raised to the x power. Now, when we're solving exponential equations, we try to get the exponential by itself on one side, but the problem is we have 2 exponentials, one on each side. I'm going to try to simplify this at least a little bit before I take logarithms of both sides. Because I have a 2 on one side and a 4 on one side, I could either divide both sides by 2 or by 4. Either way, we're going to be okay. Let's divide both sides by 2. That way, I'm not going to have a 2 on this side of the equation. That's going to be gone. I'm going to be left with 1.19 raised to the x power is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1.09 raised to the x power. So now we only have something in front on one side instead of on both. So now I can take the log of both sides. So I'm going to take the log of this and the log of this. Now notice that this is 2 times 1.09 raised to the x. So because I have 2 things multiplied inside of a logarithm, I can separate them into 2 separate logarithms that are added together. So what I have is the log of 1.19 raised to the x is equal to the log of 2 plus the log of 1.09 raised to the x. So now both of these terms have exponents. I'm going to use the exponent rule to bring those down so that I have x times the log of 1.19 is equal to the log of 2 plus x times the log of 1.09. Let's keep our end goal in mind. We're trying to solve for x. Right now, this term and this term both have an x, but the other one doesn't. So I'm going to get all of the x's on one side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract this guy over here so that all the x's are on the left and everything without an x is on the right. So that'll give me x times the log of 1.19 minus x times the log of 1.09 is equal to the log of 2. Both terms on the left have an x in common, so I can factor that out front. And I have x times the log of 1.19 minus the log of 1.09 is equal to the log of 2. To solve for x, I divide by this thing. And we get x is equal to the log of 2 divided by the log of 1.19 minus the log of 1.09.